And welcome to my channel. In today's HTML class, we will learn how to create a timetable code for your institution, organization, school or college in HTML. I will give the description script code of HTML timetable. So the first thing you write document type HTML tag, body tag, H1 timetable, H1 close is title given, table border, 5 cell spacing 0, align center, coefficient timetable, and table rows align center 100 with 100 day period, right, and table data. Close the table data. After this, copy paste the code, and this step will goes to the and seventh stage. You will see table data align center, height 50 with 100, and bracket 7, and time given, bracket close, table data close, table row close. And now another start of table rows, giving align center and height 50. Copy paste the code and just write the period name, class name, subject name, maths, chemistry, English, etc. Okay, rowspan 6, align center, height 50. Use bracket and specific code for the subject and close the table data. After this, you write the day's name here. I will run this code in HTML mode. You will see how it looked. This is coding for the timetable we will use in schools and colleges. So this is the day's name. You see here, code is very lengthy. So if I explain step by step, it will take 1 hour. So just saw this code, and I will give this code in the description of this video. Just copy paste and change according to your institution subject. And this code, when you write this code, save your document, save in save as mode. I'll save here, desktop. So we are desktop and give a name time type dot html and save. Now you see how it look. Click, you will see the timetable. Look at this. The code behind this display is very lengthy. So look at this timetable for the institution or colleges. Table rows, table data, and column lunch. This is a complete timetable for the institution. We can create an HTML. Once again, when you understand the basic structure and the basic tag of HTML, you can create program you want. Just understand the body of the HTML, how to start a program, how to begin a program in HTML code. Just remember the basic tags of HTML, and you will practice and you will be master in just few weeks and months it take. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss updates from my channel. Thanks for watching.